Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix hits to gamepad or controller not working. So if you are also having this kind of problem, just go through the steps. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting, check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. So for that, first you need to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you need to expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the driver if any update is available, and after updating it, restart your PC once and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable and disable Steam input. So for that you need to go to Steam. Now under library section you need to select your game. After selecting, right click on it, click on properties, now click on controller and then click on enable Steam input. Select it and then check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back and here you need to select disable Steam input. After this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files, then click on verify integrity of game file. So this will verify the game files. After verifying this, check if controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to check for game update. So you must check if there is an update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working or not, because developers often releases the updates on the game. So you need to go to Steam, and here where you can see the play option, here you will see the update option. As here you can see an update option is available. You simply need to click on update, and after the game is updated, check if controller gamepad is working or not. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you need to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows, now check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that I have provided the link in the description. You just need to copy it and paste it in your browser. After that, download and install the tool, then connect your controller and update it. So go to your browser. Now after the website opens, click on download option. After that, go below and here download your the DS4 Windows tool, and after that install it. After installing it, now connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch heads to game and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that you need to go to this Windows search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and device, and here you need to remove the controller from your PC. So after your you click on three dot icon, you need to click on remove device. Once done, restart your system. After restarting, again come back to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, and here you need to click on add a device, and from here you have to select your controller and add it to the your system. After adding it, now check if the problem of gamepad or controller is not working issue is resolved or not. So these are few such solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working on hits to game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.